What's going on, you pheasants, and welcome back to the channel. We are inside the BMW today, and if you can't tell, it is snowing. Nothing insane, really. I mean, we're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches, but some decent wind throwing the snow around. But I just want to make a video about kind of the driving characteristics of the X5 in the snow. And this is the first time using the GoPro in quite some time, and I actually filmed the video like a week or two ago, but it died after 1 minute, so and I didn't notice it, so today I'm gonna retry it. But really the main point about why I'm actually just gonna go out and drive is I'm gonna go get a haircut, because I'm in need of a haircut. So let's go take off. The service engine light is on due to a knock sensor. It's been on for like months, and it's not a big deal. I'm expecting, I mean, it's been snowing for like an hour or two, and it's snowing hard, but of course it rained a lot before it snowed, and then it froze, so there's ice in like all the door jambs and just really loud, so you'll hear that probably. Yeah, I'm expecting the roads to be a little bit snow covered, but it doesn't really look like there's anyone out and about. My rear door has a bunch of ice I can hear. It's quite loud. Classes were canceled because of this snowstorm, so I had no classes. Actually, I had a test today, so that's kind of nice. That'll be pushed back. Let's go ahead and get my rear wiper working. Yeah, so this is my second year and second winter of owning the X5. I've driven it through that's annoying. We're gonna turn that off. Driven quite a few different snowstorms, and well, it's got me through them perfectly fine. I drive an hour to my work in Galesburg, and I've driven it multiple times with no issues. It is all-wheel drive. It's not actually, I wonder if that's a window. I wonder if that's a window that's making a noise. Oh, yep, it is. That might help a little bit. Anyway, BMW's X-Drive system, so it's all-wheel drive. It doesn't, there's no like, you can't lock it into four-wheel drive or anything, so it's the type of system where if it detects wheel slip, it kicks it into four-wheel drive, essentially. Which, I mean, 95% of the driving that you do in the snow, that's really all you need. The only time you really need like locking four-wheel drive is when you're in a foot of snow and you're in a drift and you're starting from a stop, essentially. But if you have momentum, the system works perfect. I bet on the GoPro it's probably gonna look like nothing. Which, I mean, the roads are like, they have next to nothing on them. They're mostly wet. Yeah, sliding a little bit there, but perfectly manageable. GoPro sucks at showing what the environment looks like around you. As always, in any type of snow driving, make sure you're following a safe distance away from the car in front of you. Practice defensive driving, especially through intersections where there's four-way stops. You don't know if the car to the left of you is going to stop in time, and they might blow through the intersection, so it's always good to make sure that you are watching. When I fired up the GoPro last time, we had probably 12 inches of snow in our parking lot and quite a lot more snow everywhere else, so it would have made for a great video. And I actually I went and took pictures and drove through some deep snow, but GoPro died on me, so didn't get any of it. Traction control is very intrusive in this system, so I don't have it turned off now, but if I was not making a video, I'd probably turn it off just so I can put more power down and enjoy myself a little bit more. But it's definitely very snowy. I'm sure you guys can see that great. It's not a far drive, it's 10 minutes maybe. We're almost there already. I don't know if this X5 is a 50-50 weight distribution. That's what something BMW is always taking pride in, is 50-50, but I don't know if this vehicle is that way, but you can definitely tell when you are sliding about a little bit. The dynamics and the chassis of the vehicle feel very confident, very inspiring. That's a guy from work, I believe. Yep, that's funny. That's awesome. I wonder what he's doing in Macomb, actually. Well, he might, I don't know if he's working or not today. But anyway, that's funny. So, it's actually hard to see where the thing is at. But it's before Walmart. There's the Goodwill. It's Hy-Vee. There it is, I think I see it. Comb's a fairly small town, it's like 20,000 people. Gonna take a left at this stoplight here. Yep. Brake early. No cars coming. You're good to go. You can feel it slide a little bit there. But yeah, excellent control. It's just, And you really feel what the tires are doing because of the hydraulic steering. So you can feel them start to slip a little bit. But the weight of the vehicle helps with that as well. And we have arrived. I'm going to park in my normal parking spot, which is backing in. Not like you can see any actually lines, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, we have arrived. I'm gonna kill the camera. I'll probably do another drive back to the apartment. Just I'm guessing however long this haircut will take, I'm guessing it'll be a little bit worse out possibly. So thanks for watching. I'll see you back here in a little bit. The haircut was just long enough that, well, because the glass was warm, the snow melted and it refroze on the windshield. So I gotta go ahead and clear the glass real quick. Well, I did the very common mistake of forgetting to press the record button on the way back from the hair salon. I am back at the apartment. As you can tell, a bit more snow. I mean, probably 8 or 9 emergency vehicles went by. Multiple fire trucks and ambulances and cops, and but you guys missed it because I forgot to press the stupid record button. So that is just great. I love that so much. Okay. Oh, that's so frustrating. But we made it back. Thanks for watching. At least I got the first half of this video. So sorry about that. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, stay safe and stay being a pheasant.